In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze column in Notion. Freezing a column is really helpful when you're working with wide databases and lots of information. It keeps the column you care about most locked in place on the left, so you can scroll sideways without losing track of what each row is about. In Notion, this is especially useful for things like task names, project titles, or any key identifier that you always want to see. First, open the database in Notion where you want to freeze a column. This can be a table in a full-page database, or a table that's embedded inside another page. Make sure you're looking at it in table view, because the freeze option appears in the table's column settings. Now, look across the top row of your table where all the column headers are. Each header is the property name, like name, status, due date, or whatever you've called that column. Move your mouse over the header of the column you want to keep visible at all times. You'll notice that when you hover over a column name, a small drop-down arrow or menu icon appears on the right side of that header. Click on the property name, or that little drop-down icon to open the column options. This opens a menu specific to that column, where you can change things like the property type, rename it, hide it, or adjust how it behaves. In this same menu, you'll find the option you need to freeze the column. Within that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Freeze. The wording may be as simple as freeze or freeze column, depending on your version, but it will clearly mention freeze. Go ahead and click on Freeze. Once you do this, Notion will lock that column to the left side of your table. Now, when you scroll horizontally to see other columns, the frozen one will remain in place, so you can always see it. This is great for long tables with many properties, where you want to avoid constantly scrolling back to the first column to remind yourself what each row is. If you ever decide you don't need the column frozen anymore, you can return to the same column menu and look for an option like Unfreeze, or simply toggle the freeze setting off. And that's all you need to do to freeze a column in Notion.